Today, we will learn how to block an IP address on a router. The model on screen is the Huawei HG8145C, but the process is almost the same for other routers. Before starting, use the link in the description to get NordVPN for a great price. It will help protect your network after you block unwanted IP addresses. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to manage. Then, open your browser and type the router login address. For this router, the address is usually 192.1168.100.1. When the login page appears, enter your username and password and go to the main dashboard. Once you are inside the router settings, go to the left side menu and open the security configuration section. From there, choose IPv4 address filtering. This page is where you can create IP rules. At the top, you will see a checkbox called Enable IP Filter. Turn this on. This activates the filtering system. Below that, make sure filter mode is set to blacklist. Blacklist means any IP you add will be blocked. Now, we will add a rule. Click the New button. A form will appear at the bottom of the page. In the rule name box, type a simple name so you can recognize it later. In the protocol option, choose All. This blocks every type of traffic. In the direction option, choose Bidirectional. This makes sure the router blocks both incoming and outgoing traffic for that IP. Next, you will see the LAN side start IP and LAN side end IP. This is where you place the IP you want to block. To find the IP of a device, go to the device list on your router. Each device shows its IP number. Once you have the IP, enter the same number in both the start and end fields. Put this number in both fields. This tells the router to block only this one IP address. You can leave the WAN side IP fields empty because blocking the LAN side is enough to stop the device from using your network. After entering the details, press Apply. You will now see your rule appear in the list above. Make sure the rule is checked so it stays active. With this rule on, the router blocks the selected IP completely. If you ever want to remove the block, go back to the same page, select the rule from the list, and press Delete or disable it. This method works, but many Huawei routers also include an easier option. If you go to the Wi-Fi device list, you may see a button called Add to Blacklist next to each connected device. This button blocks the device by its MAC address. Blocking by MAC address is stronger and more reliable because even if the device changes its IP, it cannot connect again. If your router shows this button, you can use it as a faster way to block unwanted devices. Both methods give you control over who can use your Wi-Fi. The IP filter method blocks the address you choose, and the blacklist button blocks the entire device. Using either method, you can keep your network safe from unknown devices. Blocking IP addresses is helpful, but it does not protect your network from outside threats. For full security, it is smart to use a VPN on your router. NordVPN is one of the best choices because it can be installed directly on many router models, which protects every device on your Wi-Fi. It keeps your network private and adds an extra layer of safety. To try NordVPN for a great price, use the link in the description.